Hey friends, welcome back to Daily Dish Recipes for the Soul. I'm Nikki Williams, your host, and if there's one thing that screams Texas, it's brisket. Low and slow is the way to go. And today, I'm going to walk you through making the most tender, flavorful, smoked brisket you've ever had. Plus, we'll explore how barbecue became an art form in the black culture. Brisket is the heart and soul of Texas barbecue. It's about the rub, the smoke, and most importantly, the patience. Growing up in Texas, brisket was always the centerpiece of every celebration. My family loved gathering around waiting for that first juicy slice straight off the smoker. The secret is the seasoning and the low and slow cooking method. For today's recipe, you're going to need a 5-pound brisket, 3 tablespoons of my Simply Spiced house blend, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 cup of beef broth, and you're going to rub the brisket with the spices and refrigerate overnight. You're going to set your smoker at 225 for about 8 to 10 hours, basting with the beef broth. And then you're going to let it rest before slicing. Barbecue culture has deep African American roots, dating back to the pitmasters of the South who perfected the art of slow smoking. Their techniques influence barbecue worldwide today. So fire up those smokers and tag me at Simply Nikki Vibes with your brisket. Tomorrow we'll be heading to the coast for some shrimp and grits. Bye y'all.